welcome to Cryssberry Reviews and Tips once again. So today we're going to see how to manage baby hairs when you wear a ponytail. So let's go. So after you tie your ponytail, you're going to see baby hairs like this here. So we're going to manage this using Vaseline petroleum jelly, the normal petroleum jelly that we have at home. So I hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and see you soon with another useful video like this. Until then,